Hey guys, I am going to show you the expectation for math today, and we're going to be doing things a little bit differently than what is on your website. So that's why I want to make sure that I could make a video to show you what we're going to do. This is the activity we're doing today. It's called Read This Chart. So I'm going to click on it and show you what it looks like. So as it loads, you're going to notice that there is a chart like this. What the activity is supposed to be is asking people what their favorite sport is, and then you're supposed to graph it on here. So we only had a few students in class, and I kind of would like some more people on the actual graph. So what we decided to do instead is to roll the dice. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to split my screen a little bit. I'm going to roll this dice, and this is what we're going to use for our data. So notice that this one says 3. So in soccer, I'm going to put 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to click those and fill them in. Okay. If you're using paper copy, you'll just need to shade those in on your graph. Okay. Let's roll it again for basketball. It's going to be a quick activity. 3 again. So I'll do this, and notice it's a different color. This will kind of help us look at the data a little bit easier. So we'll roll the dice again. 4 this time. Always start from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we'll roll it one more time. Oh gosh, it's a 3. We're going to roll it again. I don't want it to be a 3. I also don't want it to be a 4. Oh, where'd it go? A 2. Okay. So at least now we have some data. Okay, so here is our page. On the next page, you're going to be answering these questions. Oops, sorry, I don't want that on there. Which one had the most? Which one had the least? Were any the same? What was the highest number, and which one was your favorite? So as long as you have this graph completed, oops, I'm going to keep working. Oh, wait, I'm going to say I'm done. So I can go back. I'm going to leave this on the screen, and you can pause your video so that you can see the graph while you're answering the questions. If you're doing it on paper copy, I get it. That might be a little bit easier to see the graph and see the questions at the same time. But if you're doing it on the screen, you can't really toggle back and forth without it thinking that you're completed with your work. So I'm going to leave this on the screen. You can go ahead and pause it while you're looking at your other page to answer those questions. So you can pause your video. I'm also going to show you what the expectation is next. So pause this, and then when you're finished with the questions, then you can push play again so you can see the next part of the video. Okay, now that you're finished with your graphing portion of your assignment today, you're going to go back to your home page, and you're going to see some math story problems. There are 3 different ones. These are multiplication and division. Okay, so this might be a little bit of a challenge, but you can walk yourself through it. And if you need a calculator, go ahead and use your calculator. But I'm expecting you to do this as part of your assignment as well today. So you'll have some of these with your paper copies if you have paper. And also, if you're doing it online, you'll just do it on here, and then make sure you click the globe or the world, and then click home. So I want you to do these as well. You could choose to do 1, 2, or 3, but I want you to at least do one of them, please, so that I can see that you're making some progress on multiplication. And if you're using that calculator, that is just fine too. So nice work today.